Welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. So today, guys, I'm going to be doing another video that is very helpful. A lot of people do not do this and didn't know that you had to do this. Now, in this box here, I have a 4-inch memory foam king size mattress topper. Now, if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I bought a brand new mattress, memory foam mattress, about 2 years ago, I think. Yeah, about 2 years ago. And I love it. But as I've been sleeping on it, it's amazing, meaning like it has the memory foam feel and all that. It's a great mattress, but it's firmer than I wanted it to be. Now that I've been on it for a couple years, it's like, oh wait, maybe I can use a little less firmness. So I decided to get a mattress topper, which is less expensive than buying a whole new mattress. So that's what I have here. This one here, before taxes, was $89.99 at Walmart by Homedics. So I have it here. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the box. It was damaged this way when it came. I was like, please don't let it be a hole in this memory foam. So let me show you the inside of the box. So that's what you have there. I didn't take it out, so I'm gonna see if there's any instructions or anything. Now, I'm glad I got my air mattress, or either the sofa. We'll lay on that until I do this, because this has to take place within 48 hours. I think it says 12 to 48 hours or something like that. Let's see what the instructions say, because I didn't take them out yet. Whew, that thing is pretty heavy. Okay, so it comes with this, and I guess it's a limited warranty, and it tells you, I guess, what to do. Doesn't say anything. Unpacking instructions. Open the package, remove topper from the box, and place on mattress. 2 people recommended for a queen or large. Carefully cut away the plastic and unroll the unfolded mattress topper. Discard the packaging material. Be sure to keep away from children. Allow mattress topper to fully recover to size. May take 12 to 48 hours. If applicable, place cover on topper and bring the corners down over corners of mattress. Place cover. I guess if I have a protector, your new mattress topper was compressed for shipping. It should be open as soon as possible upon receipt. Prolonged compression may cause permanent damage and the mattress topper may not recover properly. Oh wow, should have opened this before, because this been here for about a good week now. You may notice a new foam scent when you first open the mattress topper. This scent is harmless and will dissipate. To help this process increase ventilation in the room, open windows, roll on your mattress topper to eliminate tiny air pockets, and spray your mattress topper with a fabric freshener. Do not cover the mattress topper with linens until completely dry. Okay, so I'm going to allow my mattress. See, I don't think it's enough space here, and I don't want to put it on the floor. I absolutely don't. But then I was thinking I could put a sheet down here and then put it down. But then I'll have to move stuff, because this is pretty big. Let me see. I'll be back. All right, guys. So I came upstairs and I figured this is the best place to let it unfold and rest, and I'll just sleep on the air mattress, or one could sleep on the couch, one could sleep on the air. We both can actually, it's a queen size. I'm tripping. It's not, even though it's not a king. Yeah, we both can actually fit on the couch too, because it's really big. But yeah, we have options, because I want to let this rest and I don't want to have to drag it from somewhere. So I made my bed for today, but let me make the bed and put the mattress topper on top. So it's a tab there that says pull open, so I'm getting ready to do that. All right, guys, I don't know what side should go on top. I don't know if the ridges go on top or the bottom. I have no clue. But that's how you unroll it, and you just want to let it sit for 48 hours. I will finish the end of this video in 2 days. Today is the 9th, and I'm gonna come back on not tomorrow, but the next morning after to do a reveal of what it looks like. And let me zoom in so you can see. I want to see if all this stuff is going to pop up and it's going to look better. So hold on. So these are the little sides that are still kind of bent in and all that. So we're going to see if all these are going to pop up from being flat on the sides. That's basically it. It was like basically over in this corner here and at this end, and on this side it was kind of bunched up here and over here. It's more on this side. So let's see. We shall see. We shall see. I'm gonna let it sit on here for 48 hours, and I'm hoping that this will come out and pop and do what it's supposed to do. I don't like how that looks. So yeah, I'll be back in 48 hours, guys. Alright guys, so I am back. It is 48 hours later, and this thing has definitely plumped completely up. There's no wrinkles, no flat spots or anything. I'm just going to zoom around and let you guys see that. So, when you get a mattress topper, this is a tip. Put the mattress topper face up, meaning the ridges or whatever indentions or waves or whatever you have in your mattress topper, face it up. That is for ventilation, to keep the person laying on it cool so that the air circulates around the body. Because I used to say, I see some people taking the 8-carton ones and they would lay them face down and have the smooth side up. They said no, it's the best to lay on top of the actual waves or indentions or 8-cart shape, because that is beneficial to you in a cool night's sleep, so you're not sweating or getting hot during the day. And I noticed this has, you see the 2 spots there. I guess that's showing you that that's the top of it, I guess. I'm not sure. It didn't say anything about that. I thought that was pretty cool. It's like ombre and it comes down and gets lighter. So I hope this was helpful. So yes, let it stretch. It was a struggle because I love sleeping in my bed, but let it stretch. But tonight is going to be a good night's sleep. I'll probably just wait until I sleep on this and add that to the end of this video to let you know how it feels when I get into it and how the night's sleep was on this. But yeah, it was 48 hours that I allowed it to sit, and let me show you around it. Like all those areas I was concerned about on this side are up and plump, like no issues at all. Like it literally has conformed to the whole mattress. Yep. So I'm excited. I'm excited to sleep on it. So I hope this was helpful, and if so, make sure you thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you join the family by subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And with that being said, if there's nothing else, I will see you guys later, Gators. If you have one, or if you're thinking about getting one, leave comments below to let me know about that. And I may, if you see the video didn't end now, you know that I added the footage of this in there, or I just might do an update of sleeping on it. I think I might do an update on sleeping on it. We'll see. All right, later, Gators. For those of you who may have been wondering, does the bumps show through your bedding? I made the bed, and no, they do not. And I'm gonna go on the other side. Nope, it doesn't show through the bedding, which I like. I was really concerned about that. Like, oh, is it gonna show lumpy on the bed? And it actually didn't even show lumpy under the sheet. So yeah, wanted to stick this in there so you guys can see that as well.